Hi, Jonathan here. I've just finished my Quickstart to Landmark. It's a little short manual you can get from my LinkedIn bio. I'll put the link in the description. Now, while I was making it, I noticed that there was this opportunity to have the compass. If we have a look down here, we've got the ability to show the compass ring or not. Then I looked at one of my older files, this one here. Let's have a look. The compass ring is grayed out. It says that it's there, but I can't turn it on. So what's the difference between these two files? Well, it turns out that the difference is that I just need to geo-reference this layer. As soon as I turn on geo-referenced, click OK, you can see I've now got my compass ring, which I can now turn on or turn off. But also, if I go back to this geo-reference layer and turn it off, the compass ring remains. Now, I do like this compass ring. I think it's really handy. When you go to a 3D view, you can see the compass ring. You can see north, south, east, west. I always design my buildings with north straight up the page, as in this project here, so that I then use things like the rotated plan tool to make sure that I'm drawing orthogonally. It works really well, but I do like this compass ring. I reckon it's a really great way of keeping you orientated. So thanks for watching. Hey, if you like this movie, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. It really helps people to find these movies. And if you're not a subscriber, hey, why not hit the subscribe button and then the bell to get notified. See ya.